morning. So it's the big day. Actually, it is the big day. In and out of sleep, to be fair. I was a little bit nervous. So yeah. Just gonna chill a little bit. I mean, it's something like 7 o'clock here, so about 5 o'clock UK time. So yeah. Excited, nervous, I'm gonna prove myself, but I'm more excited than anything, if I'm being honest. So yeah. Here it goes then. For now, g'lay g'lay. Here we go then, I'm here to get the finals done. So let's get it done. For now, g'lay g'lay. Here we go. So I've just left IDH for the first part of the procedure, getting them fitted, scaled down, and everything. Yeah, just thought I'd come out for something to eat. So how did it go? It was a bit uncomfortable. I would say it was like a pressure, like a throb. Yeah. Very uncomfortable. I'm not very good with pain, to be fair. I mean, it wasn't even pain. So yeah, I'm fitted. They look absolutely brilliant. I'm really happy with them. They're not pure white as well. They're a bit whiter than these. And like I say, they're just a tidge bit bigger, but they actually look real. Absolutely brilliant. I can't believe it, honestly. Anyhow, I'm in the street, doing it. So I'm going to have a look around, I'm going to go back at one. Just so flipping happy. So yeah, did a bit of sightseeing, nice frapper. And then yeah, go back. For now, g'lay g'lay. So I found myself a little bazaar, market type thing. Gonna have a look around here. See how I do this stuff. They're all cheap and all. Oh, sharks. See you soon. G'lay g'lay. Market is absolutely brilliant. There's loads of like fresh fruit, there's fish, there's all sorts, to be fair. And then obviously we just come back from like what I call like a car boot sale with all like the knockoffs and everything. All good though. Really interesting. I'm really glad that I've come here. Like I say, just while I was off away from the dentist. Yeah, let's keep looking, see if we can grab a bargain. For now, g'lay g'lay. Oh, this market is absolutely great. Got my nephew's Argentina top, Portugal top. Unfortunately, I had to get a Manchester United one. Disgusting. It's a nice little visit here as well. It's nice and cheap. Yeah, lots going on. So yeah, let's have another look around. G'lay, g'lay. William Market got some absolute belters. So I got some Dior's shorts. I got some Nike shorts. Yeah. I got my little nephew's Manchester United shirt. Oh God, be wiping the bottom of that. Argentina shirt and Portugal shirt for him. So hopefully they'll be pleased with those. So yeah, I'm really glad that I went. It's gonna make my way back to the dentist now. But for now, g'lay, g'lay. So then I believe this is going to be the final step to get rid of the temps. They actually looked really, really good when they put them in, did all the bits and bobs that they needed to. It was a little bit difficult to speak with them at first because obviously there wasn't fixed in. So I'm hoping to God that I'm not going to sound goofy or anything like that. I really don't care. They're better than the old teeth. This makes me so much happy, honestly. It's so bloody amazing. I just buzzing, and then obviously just having a break in between as well, just to relax from all the soreness. But yeah, we're gonna go in, tearing up a bit. Really excited. It's gonna be real. Can't wait. Let's do this. Yeah, come on, let's go. But for now, g'lay, g'lay. All done. On the way to the hotel now. I've got my mate here. Hey! Buzzing. So yeah, back to the hotel. Let's just chill out. Just a little niggly pain at the minute, but for now, g'lay, g'lay. So I've got back to the hotel. I'm gonna have to go rest my mouth. I'm really sorry if I'm slurring a bit. Just absolutely buzzing. It's all done. Just got to go back for my mouth mold, I think it's called, like a mouth guard thing. Just because obviously I ground my teeth, so that's another reason as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the room, get some Z's. I'm gonna try a bite to eat. Feel bloody fantastic, absolutely amazing. It's the best thing ever. Can't stop smiling. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the room. I'm not gonna stop smiling. I don't care if it hurts. I really don't care. Best thing ever. Buzzing. I'll see you soon. For now, g'lay, g'lay. Hello, it's me, Big John from Cavalier Cars. I've had about 3 hours sleep, a little bit of discomfort, like sore, throbbing, did wake up thinking, what the hell's this in my mouth? Yeah, I just took some more painkillers just to take the edge off. It's not, like I said, it's not pain, it's just like really awkward, throbby uncomfortableness. So yeah, I'm gonna try and sleep it off, sleep all the way through if I can, and then tomorrow hopefully I can be walking around, smiling at everyone, getting arrested because I'm smiling, thinking I'm gonna be coming on to someone. I'm not. I don't know. Don't know what I'm on about. I feel like I've took that many paracetamol. Don't worry, I've been careful though. Yeah, I did actually have something to eat earlier as well, just before I came to sleep. So it was a bit strange at first. It felt like I was chewing pebbles. Best way that I can describe it. But to be honest, the more I did it, the easier it got. Sometimes it feels when I'm talking, I can't move my lip, but I think that's because I've been stretching and all that lot. So yeah, I think I'll be fine, absolutely fine. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna sleep it all off. Just, and it sounds really bizarre, but I just can't stop looking at my teeth. I really can't. Well, when I'm awake, that is. But yeah, I'm gonna get some more sleep then, guys. But again, thank you for staying on this journey with me. But for now, you know what's coming. Gole gole. Marhaba, it's me. Throbbing has stopped. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Paracetamol's working. A little bit numb. Probably from all like the stretching of the lips and everything. Like I said, when I was eating earlier, it felt like I had pebbles in my mouth. It got really easy to sort of like, as I was eating more and everything, I can feel kind of like a lisp as well. But I think that's just me sort of like just being real cautious, thinking I'm going to break them. But I keep getting told, messaging IDH, saying I'm scared if I break them. Said the what break. I just need to be a bit more confident. So yeah, I'm just going to share with you what I got at the market. So should we have a look? Of course we want to have a look. We want to look at these genuine fakes. So let's have a look then. So first up, this one's for Liam, bless him. He wanted his own little Portugal shirt. Look at that little cutie shirt. No, real cute. Yeah, that was the equivalent to something like £4. To be honest, I don't know if this player still plays for him. I don't know. Oh, it's a World Cup. Oh, I don't bloody follow football, do I? Just like the football thing. That's that one. Then he got his little Portugal shorts. Look at them. Look at how cute they are. Oh, he's going to really love them. Bless him. Then moving on to Dayton. He wanted an Argentina shirt. So I got him his Argentina shirt. That's actually quite nice. That I wouldn't mind one myself. Yeah. And who's on the back? Oh, Messi. It's like my room. Ah, he's gonna love that. And because, unfortunately, he ran out of toilet paper. So, I got him a Manchester United shirt, a long sleeve one. Apparently, it's what Ronaldo wears. I don't know. Does he even play for him anymore? I don't even bloody know. Genuine fake. Genuine fake. Look at that. Oh, well. That can go in the toilet then. And here's what I got for myself. Some nice Armani shorts. Look at them. They're real nice. So good material as well. That'd probably come off. Does that don't even say Armani. Oh yes it does. yeah, so they've got zip pockets there. And that's it basically, yeah. And then I saw these and I thought, do you know what? I'm gonna get them. I really like them. They're a bit knee lengthy though, but sorry. Got some Nike shorts. Just do it. And got zippers there. I think it's got one on the back. Sure it has. Yeah, I'm making it up. But yeah, that's what I got. So yeah. So I don't feel like I need any more sleep. So I think I might do a bit more vlog. So I'm currently working on Amsterdam at the minute. I'm well behind. So there might be like videos where I've got my manky teeth. And now I've got my good teeth. So yeah, I think this is the first like vloggy vlog that I've done with my finals. So yeah. Oh, buzzing. So yeah, for now, g'lay g'lay.